Crazy British Bloke here, doing my little vlogging stuff, but with the big cannon, when you get that out, they're all like, well, let's get a bit serious, eh? And I'll keep the videos coming. Well, they're all queuing up. This is the test and tune night. Bikes. Oh, it's KTM, look at that, Supermoto. That's pretty sweet. Look at the queue. There is a massive queue. Wow. Wow, that's a KTM and a half. Supermoto style. Is it all standard, or have you done anything to it?
What's that?
Is it standard, or have you done anything?
A little head work, that's about it. Other than that.
I used to race these in the day back in England. KTMs, yeah. That's when the Supermoto first started, yeah?
Another KTM right there.
Oh wow, look at that. These KTMs. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that one. Holy smoke. They are gorgeous. Here's all the pit machines. Look at them all queued up. So many vehicles. I just don't know what to say. I think I'm going to pee myself. It's just too much. Look at it. Never seen anything like it. Absolutely fantastic. We've got some bikes here. Got some sleds. Can't believe it. Look at the little wheels on the front. Absolutely wicked. You won't believe this one. Wow, that's like my one, just the same. Hey, you actually riding this? I don't know how you do it. Very loud, isn't it? I'll come down and watch you. Look at that, girl on that. Unbelievable. Can't believe it. Those are still, all of them. Look at this one. Got some motocrossers here. Wow. Oh, there's the KTM boys again. Let's go and watch them. Here she comes. Unbelievable. I don't even know if I'd get on that.
You don't want to go wide open, you don't have to. Just get the feel of it, okay?
How old is she? Bud, how old? How old?
How old? 10.
10, wow. Starting early. Nice.
10 years old.